He didn't eat
because my stomach ain't been feeling right. It feel like every time I eat, feel like I'm gonna bring it back up.
because he ate. You ate what?
Steak and shake.
Steak and shake. I told him don't eat those young people food. Our stomachs can't handle that kind of food no more.
And ever since I ate that, I just ain't been right. I just ain't been feeling good.
I haven't eaten steak and shake in years.
Me too. That's the thing about it.
You won't eat it no more.
Exactly. I don't know if it was grease or whatever it was, but
Could have been.
you hear that? That came from up here. That was behind you there. And Joe, John, he way downstairs.
You way down there.
T, walk back this way for a minute.
You say he's downstairs still?
Yeah, he's downstairs.
Maybe it's an animal.
It wasn't her.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Like some crawl.
And Joe's downstairs, right? But it sounds like he's on the side of the house.
It sounds like it's upstairs.
Right,
That's what I'm saying. It's up here. Up. Hey, you know what it sounds like though? It sounds like something's rolling, like a ball. Hey, maybe that's where the spirit could be at there. But how we could get up there?
You need a ladder.
Yeah, you need a ladder from the attic.
But that's the second time it done did that. And that's what it sounds like, something moving.